That equation made no sense. The letters mean the exact same thing as they do in an arithmetic sequence. N is the term you're trying to solve for, f of n is the value of the term n, s is the first term, and the only difference is that d is the common ratio instead of difference because we are working with geometric sequences. Let's say I have 3 bottles of water. I get 2 times the amount I currently have every month. How many bottles of water would I have after 6 months? This table shows how the sequence would go at the start. It starts at 0 months because he already has 3 bottles of water to start with. Then it goes up by a common ratio of times 3. Now all we have to do is plug it into the equation. So S is 3 because he started off with 3 bottles, D is 2 because the common ratio is 2, and N is 6 because we're looking for 6 months. So now all we have to do is solve the equation. So f of 6 is equal to 3 times 2 to the power of 6. This is equal to 3 times 64, and that is equal to 192. So the person would have 192 bottles of water in 6 months. This table shows the beginning of the sequence. It starts at 0 hours and 2 feet of bacteria because in the problem it already had 2 feet of bacteria to start with. After that, it goes up by a common ratio of times 3 for every hour. Now, all we have to do is plug it into the equation. So, S is 2 because we had 2 feet of bacteria to start off with. D is 3 because it triples every hour. And N is 10 because we want to find it out for 10 hours. So now all we have to do is solve the equation. So f of 10 is equal to 2 times 3 to the power of 10, and 3 to the power of 10 is 59,049, times 2 is 118,098. So in conclusion, my pool would have 118,098 feet of bacteria. Now, if you just follow those steps, you're good to go in solving geometric sequences. Thanks a lot. Though if you'll excuse me, I need to get in my poop quickly. We saw how bad it would be if we left it for 10 hours. And thank you for watching.